So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to have 2.0 or double line spacing here in the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, just for this example, I'm going to go ahead and type in double 2.0 line spacing. Now what I'll do here is actually copy this and go a couple lines below and type in the exact same thing. So by default, the line spacing is set to single or 1.0, but if you want to increase the space from one line to the other line, maybe for an academic paper, you have to add double line spacing, whatever the case may be. I will go ahead and show you how to do that. It's super straightforward, super simple. So what I'll do here is just highlight the text right here. Go to the right hand side of your screen, go down to where it says spacing right here, where it says 1.0 or single. Press on that to get a drop down. Then go to the bottom for 2.0 or double. And if you were to go ahead and press on that, your line spacing is now double. And if you were to go to the next line right here and type in the exact same thing, the line spacing, as set before, is now set to double or 2.0. So super straightforward, super simple. This is how to have double or 2.0 line spacing here in the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.